Up next on the list we have Webull. This is another popular commission-free stock market investing app, but it comes with a more robust trading experience. With Webull, you're going to find more advanced charting and data available compared to beginner-oriented apps like Robinhood. In fact, many have even called Webull the more advanced version of the Robinhood app. In addition, they also offer a competitive APY on your uninvested cash. Webull is popular among active traders who are looking to get access to the charts and data they're looking for within a mobile app, but in addition, they also have a robust desktop trading platform too. However, for those looking for a simpler trading experience, one that feels more similar to Robinhood, for example, you can simply enable Webull Lite with one swipe in the settings. And this is going to give you a completely different user interface that's a lot more beginner friendly. If you want to check out Webull, be sure to use my link down below or on screen to get the free stock bonus. Now that bonus is going to change every so often, but each one of those free stocks is going to be worth between $3,000 and $3,000, and you can click my link down below to view the most current bonus. I also have a full Webull tutorial for beginners that I'll link up in the description below.